Hi, first graders. This is Mrs. McGurl, and we are going to begin our math lesson with Number Corner. We are in the month of January in the year 2021. Remember, we started fresh in January with a new year. And so far, we've had 5 days of school, or not 5 days of school, but 5 days in the month of January. Let's see what today, Wednesday, January 6th, has behind it. We have another equation with an unknown. It says something or blank plus 3 equals 6. What do we add with 3 to make 6? Some of you might know it really fast. If you don't know it really fast, one strategy is to start with the number 3 and count on to see how many more to get to 6. So from 3, one more would be 4, 5, 6. I would need 3, wouldn't I? Oh, did you see that was a doubles? 3 plus 3 is 6. That's how I thought some of you might get it really quick like. You also could have used the strategy, since this was addition, you could take the subtraction strategy and start with the big number 6 and take away 3. So I could have 6 and then take away 1, 1, 2, 3, and I would have 3 left. 6 take away 3 is 3, but 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, let's move on. We also are going to count how many days we've been in school. Let's count all of these groups of 10 by tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And one more, 81. So let's add one for today. And that means today is 82 days now that we've had school. 82 school days. Remember that, because when we go to the next page, I have to change my 81 to 82. I'm going to erase my 1. I still have my 8 tens, but now I need to make the 2 more, or the 2 ones. 8 tens and 2 more is the number 82. Okay, today is Wednesday, and so since today is Wednesday, we are going to have a game day. And our game is going to focus on these skills. You're going to be able to you're going to be focusing on learning how to practice adding 10 and some more. And you're also going to learn how to add 9 and some more. So you know you'll be successful when you can solve equations like that quickly during our game. Since this is a game day, you'll be doing our game. It's called Spin to Win Bingo. And then when you're done with that, you'll be doing reflex math. There is no small groups this afternoon, okay? Or at least not a math small group or a tier 2 small group. Let's look at what the game will be like. So you will get this link and it says game time. So I'm going to get it to where I can play the game. This page is the direction page, and I'm going to just move me, hopefully, down at the bottom corner. Well, maybe you can't see. Way down at the bottom, there's 2 pieces of paper. The first one is blue. You want to go to the gray one to make it interactive, and now it's highlighted in blue. Now you'll see that there are 2 bingo sheets. This one will be for me, and then this one will be for you as we're going to play it together now. And then later when you play it at home, you can have one of the sheets, and then the grown-up you play with or the older person you play with will have the other sheet. Basically, you're first going to pick your color. So I'm going to say I'm going to be the blue marker, and you can be the green marker color. And you're going to first start by picking a number. So I have to click on pick, and I'm going to drag mine over here. My number is 6, and I'm going to add it to the number I get when I spin. We've been practicing 10 and some more. So if I add 10 with 6 more, my number would be what? 16. So I'm going to find where 16 is. On my board, here's a 16. So I'm going to take my blue marker and I'm going to cover 16. Then I'm going to click on the crayon down below, and I want to write my two numbers I added, 10 and 6. So I'm going to write 10 plus 6. And that fit right in there. I'm clicking and making the numbers with the mouse, okay? So next, I am going to, put that back, and I'm going to pick for you. You have 4. And let's do the spinner. It didn't land on the line, so I'll spin again. You got 9. Okay, so the way that we've been doing our math facts is we would start with a 9 and we would count on 4 more. So we could say 9, I'm going to write it up here, plus 4. And we would get, do you know the number? 9, and I count on 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 more, I ended up with 13. Now I'm going to teach you another strategy. What you could do instead of adding 9 and 4, we've been doing a lot of adding 10s. And so 9 is real close to 10. It's just 1 more away from 10. So what you could do is you could take this 4 and take 1 away from it and make it a 3. Whoops, I'm not doing a very good job making a 3 there. And that 1 you took away, you would put with a 9 to make it a 10. So you're really just adding, it's the same as adding a 10 plus a 3. And so 10 plus 3 is probably faster for you to solve because you may not even have to count on, because 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? So this is just a new way of looking at it. When you get a 9, you would take the other number and take 1 from that and put it over here with a 9 to make it a 10. So the 4 goes to a 3, and that 1 more goes to make the 9 a 10. And so now we've got 13, and we've got 2 places for 13. I'm going to click on your green, and I think you might like the corner one. So there you go. You're up there with 13, and I'm going to write, we got 9 plus 4 for you. Whoa, is it going to write? 9, there we go, plus 4. And 9 plus 4 makes 13. Okay, my turn. I'm going to pick a card. Ooh, I get a 10. Oops, why can't I drag it? I want to drag it to my area. Hang on. It's not letting me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, guys. Sorry. But my number is 10 and 6. 10 and 6 makes 16. And I already got a 10 and a 6. And there's no other 16. So I lose a turn. I think I lose a turn. So now it's your turn. So you're going to pick 8 and spin. You got a 10. 10 and 8 makes 18. So I'm going to bring this over to an 18 for you. And I'm going to write 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. Oops. There we go. So the idea is you are going to continue to play this game until you get 4 in a row. You want to get 4 either straight up and down, like maybe up and down this way, any row up and down, or you get 4 across, or you could get 4 diagonal. Whoever gets the 4 in a row first is the winner of the game, okay? And then when you're all done, you can erase your board by going to the arrows that are kind of going in a circle at the bottom. And it'll say, do you want to start over? Do you want to clear your work and start over? Yes, you do. And then you get to play it again. It'd be great if you could play it 2 times and really practice. You're adding 10 and some more, and then 9 and some more. And remember, the trick today that I taught you, if you have a 9 with a number, you can always count on, or you can take 1 away and put it with that 9 and make it a 10 with a smaller number, and you'll still get the same answer. Okay? So now I want to go back here. Remember today that there is no small group math time. So you're just going to play this game a couple times, and then you're also going to do your reflex math. But remember, when you're done with this game, you go back and mark as done that you did play it. I hope you have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.